Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Scientech Learning and today I will try to make you understand if we are entering some marks from user enter the marks. After that user entered some marks like 50 and we have some program code which evaluates the grade to the user. So we are going to directly in Eclipse and run the code, write the code and compile the code. It's taking some times. We are going to practice src com.practice. This is my package which is already I created and taking a new class grade system. Sorry, grade system. Okay, and this class is public and I also taken a main method public static void main. After that public static void main void so that it does not return anything. After that we are creating the object of a scanner class for entering the marks from console to the user end. Scanner scanner is a class and sc is the object of a scanner class is equal to new. We can create object with the help of new keywords. New scanner system.in. Here we are not importing the scanner package, so it's giving I directly import the scanner, so you can see the error is resolved. After that we are giving a message to the user, enter the marks. So here we directly writing system.out.println with the help of syso, and after that we are pressing Ctrl and space and enter. Now here we are printing some message, enter the marks. After that we are creating a variable, we are creating a variable int marks is equal to sc dot next int. Here we are using next int method for calling the integer value with the help of scanner class object sc, and marks is a variable and integer data type. After that we are printing marks syso system.out.println marks. After that we are taking a if statement. If marks is less than 50, marks is less than 50, we are printing fail. System.out.println fail. Okay. After that we are taking else if marks marks is greater than 50, and here we are using binary operator, which is AND operator, for the comparing two equations. And marks is less than 60. Marks is less than 60. Marks is less than 60. We are printing system.out.println grade D. D grade. After that we are taking one more else if and here we are taking conditions as marks is greater than 60 and marks is less than 70. Okay. Here we are printing some message like C grade system.out.println C grade and we are taking one more if else if and here we are taking conditions as marks is greater than 70 and marks is less than 85. Here we are going to print like B grade system.out.println B grade. After that we are taking one more else if here we are taking conditions as if marks is greater than 85 and marks is less than 95. Here we are printing like A grade system.out.println A grade after that we are taking one more else if and here we are taking conditions as marks is greater than 95 and marks is less than or equal to 100 system.out.println A plus grade. Okay, and after that we are taking one else statement else and here if the marks does not match with any conditional statement, then we are printing invalid marks. So system.out.println invalid marks. Okay, after that we are going to run the program. Here it shows message enter the marks. So if we are entering the marks 40, then it shows fail, and again if we are running again it also shows message. If we are entering 98, then it shows A plus grade. So that's it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you are learning something from my video, please like my video and share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.